Okay, so we have a Toyota Sienna minivan, and when we're trying to use the remote, it says low battery warning. So what you may have to do is, if you try to get in the vehicle and it doesn't, you are unable to unlock it or unlock the doors, you may have to take the key out. So you have to press this lever here, press it on the corner, like right there, and then pull the key out. Then you could open the door, the driver's side door, and then you take this remote and you put it right up next to the start button, right? And that will should allow you to start the vehicle. When you get home, you just need to take a screwdriver and pry it in the opening here, adjacent to where the key went. Just pop it open, put this part down. This is the part that's the circuit board. All you need to do is take this out, flip it over. If you look closely, it says it's a CR2032. So you just need to take a really small screwdriver and just pry off one corner and put it back in the same orientation. So this, the writing side face up. Right, I happen to have a spare. Always keep one handy. CR2032. This is an Energizer. This one was a Panasonic. As long as the CR2032 is the same, it will work fine. So I'm just going to replace it. And put everything back together, and that's it. Pretty simple. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe. If there's any comments, let me know.